Hello, today I'm at the Hyatt Vacation Club at the Welk in San Diego, California. And it's time for a brand new room tour. This is going to be a quick tour since this is at the end of my stay. I'm actually already all packed up and ready to go. The room I'm going to be showing you guys today is going to be Daisy 292. Let's go inside. As soon as you step inside, you see there's the dining room area and also the living area. And to the right is the kitchen. As soon as you walk into the kitchen, you'll see that there's a washer and dryer. This room has enough space for 8 people, so there should be 8 settings of plates and cups for everybody that stays in this room. It comes with a blender, coffee maker, kettle for water, toaster, dishwasher, microwave, refrigerator, and an electric stove. Now let's go into the ensuite. Let's step into the main bathroom. You can see there's 2 sinks. There's a lighting, big shower, and also a tub. Toilet area if you guys are interested. There's the ironing board and the iron. Plenty of space for you to put all your luggage. You get a little desk so you could use your computer there if you like. Like I said, I'm already leaving, so you can see that the bed's not made nicely, but trust me, it was nice and comfortable for the week. Inside that closet, you saw the safe. The safe is not that big. There's a glass sliding door right here, so you can have access to the patio area. That's the golf course. Let's go back out and head over to the next room. There's a second bathroom with with a toilet. This one only has a shower. It's a nice bench though for you to sit. Also has 2 sinks, but no tub as you can see. The room has 2 beds here. Also a nice sized closet and access to the patio as well. There's this storage closet. That's extra linens if you want to use them for the couch outside because it's a pull-out couch. And then here's the view of this room. Like I said, that's the golf course. Looks very pretty. The only drawback to it is that a lot of people usually come through here, so all the golfers. So you're always gonna be, if you're sitting out here, they're always looking at you. A lot of them will try to talk to you. In this area, you won't have too much privacy, especially when the golfers are out, because you'll get a lot of traffic from them. So they're always gonna be looking at you here. So if that's something you mind, then I suggest you wouldn't want to be in this area. There's other areas in this resort where it's more secluded, less people walk by. But if you're okay with it, then the view is perfect. For me, it's not that I don't want to talk to them when they pass by and say hi. It just becomes more of a chore as more and more and more, it's almost like never ending. Groups of golfers just keep on coming by. When I used to bring my grandmother here before she passed away, she used to love sitting in areas like this because she was a people person and all she wanted to do was talk to people. So this place was actually perfect for her. She would just say hi to everybody that passed by. Just wanted to talk to everybody that she could. It was just part of her vacation experience to meet a lot of new people. But I'm not I'm not like her. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick view of this room since it's in a different location. I have other videos that explain more about the resort and also about the rooms, but usually you get in the rooms and it's more detailed than this one. This one is just wanted to show you the view that I actually got for the golf course, because I do mention in the other videos where I actually do like staying, but it's just a personal preference. I like this area. It's pretty, like the golf course, and you see all those trees in the view. It's nice, but the one drawback that I have for this place is that a lot of people do walk by. This pond right here is where you do catch and release fishing. So if you come to this resort, you pay a fee to rent a pole, and then you're able to just fish here and just spend some time by the pond. I've never actually done this, but it seems like fun. One of these days, maybe I'll do it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.